Hey guys, this is the perfect time to um, play. So what I'm gonna do here is buy oh, it looks like a garbage what's that? You call that a grow garden but there's a difference. So this is the new game. I'm gonna buy this lavender. Okay, I cannot afford because so I'm gonna plant my beehive here. Plant my beehive. What I'm gonna do is plant my beehive here is I don't know how. I don't know. No. This is my lavender. Go, go the garden. No. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's so very so fast growing. So after that, oh the bee. Oops. Hi, honey bee bee. I'm gonna hold this and then collect my honey. Oh, sell my honey. Okay. I'm gonna sell this all day. Sell the honey. So we're gonna go back to the beehive. It looks like that there's a difference. It looks like you know. I'm gonna buy a lavender again. So what's the? Oh no, not enough. Not enough. So I'm gonna go to my beehive. So I'm gonna sell some. Okay. So slowly, money. So I'm gonna sell this again. Sold this all money. So I have 18 here. So I'm gonna go buy to I'm gonna go buy to. I'm only eating here, but I don't know. Um, what is this? So wait, I gotta go again here. So collect the honey again. The honey. Give me more honey, please. Give me more honey. Okay, sell this honey again, and I have 30 here, so I'm gonna buy uh excuse me. I'm gonna buy Daisy. So I have a new flower here. The flower here. Daisy flower. Daisy flower. No. I'm gonna try this here. Oh, more honey, please. I'm just try okay. Excuse me. More honey. So more honey. More honey, bunny. Oh, what is this? Oh, that is white. Oh, so I have 20 here, so I'm gonna go for my big hive. I'm sorry. Ice is give me more honeybees. Okay. sell this. I have 47, so I'm gonna go back to the 150. It's very expensive. The Dahlia, Julie, what the heck? No stocks like this. So I'm gonna go buy some buy this, and then the color this. So go to my Beehive, my Dahlia. No Dahlia, no DZ. 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 Daisy, 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 Daisy. My song. Daisy, Daisy. Oh, oh, hey. Hi, hi, hi. I'm gonna go sell this. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is so good. I like that. This is so nice and pretty, really nice and very perfect. Okay, this is good for me. Excuse this. Okay, gonna sell this. Oh, go to my Beehive. Excuse me. More honey, baby. More honey, please, honey. Honey, honey bunch, honey, honey bunch, bunch. My honey bunch. Give me more honey bunch. Honey bunch. My honey bunch. Give me more. Sell this again. So I have here. Woo-hoo. Okay, I'm gonna buy this. This is my first expensive flower for lip cover. This is here. And now I need more honey baby. Honey baby. My honey baby. Okay. My honey baby. Give me more honey baby. My baby. Give me baby. Oh, I have 88. So I'm gonna buy the cheap one. Uh, okay, go to my beehive. Okay, arrange this, arrange my lavender. My lavender. Da la 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 la. My lavender. My daisy, my daisy. I have crazy. I have crazy. Oops. More honey, baby. More honey. Wait. More honey? More honey, more honey, more honey. Oh, and 40, 140. Okay, guys. This is the end of the video. Baboosh!